Is it legal to pack vape devices and e-liquids in checked luggage?
Hello there. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that's a common concern among many travelers. Can you pack vape devices and e-liquids in your checked luggage? The answer is a bit complex and depends on where you are in the world. But don't worry, we're here to help clear up any confusion.
Is it legal to pack vape devices in checked luggage?
In most cases, it is not allowed to pack vape devices in your checked luggage. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, in the United States, as well as many international aviation agencies, prohibit e-cigarettes and vape pens in checked baggage due to the risk of fire from the batteries in the cargo hold. So, if you are planning to travel with a vape device, you'll need to pack it in your carry-on baggage or keep it with you. But remember, using these devices on the plane is strictly prohibited.
Can you pack e-liquids in checked luggage?
When it comes to e-liquids, the rules are slightly different. In general, you can pack e-liquids in your checked luggage, but there are limitations. For instance, in the United States, the Transportation Security Administration, TSA, allows you to bring a quart-sized bag of liquids, aerosols, gels, creams, and pastes in your carry-on bag and through the checkpoint. These are limited to travel-sized containers that are 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less per item. If you're carrying e-liquids in your checked luggage, they should be securely packaged to prevent spills. Also, always check your airline's specific regulations and the laws of your destination country. Some countries have stricter regulations about vaping products, including e-liquids.
What happens if you ignore these regulations?
Ignoring these regulations can lead to various consequences. If you're caught with a vape device in your checked luggage, it may be removed and you could face fines. It's also possible that your luggage could be delayed or not make it onto the flight. For the safety of all passengers and to avoid any personal inconveniences, it's crucial to follow these regulations. In conclusion, while you can't pack your vape device in your checked luggage, you are generally allowed to pack it in your carry-on. E-liquids can go into either type of luggage, but make sure to follow all size and packaging regulations. Safe travels and happy vaping!